Well, good morning everyone. I've made my way to a place called Muriwai, which is about 45 minutes from Auckland City, and it's located on the rugged west coast of the North Island of New Zealand. This place is pretty wild and it's pretty famous for a couple of things. It's famous for its recreational activities, and you guessed it, it's famous for its birds. They have a pretty spectacular gannet colony not too far from here, with about 1,200 migrating pairs of the Australasian gannet, otherwise known in Māori as the takapu. So, it's nice and early. We're going to head in, a little walk along a nice little concrete path, it's not too hard to get to, and go see what Muriwai is all about. Well, we've made it out to the Muriwai gannet colony, and it does not disappoint. This is absolutely amazing. I don't know if it's coming across on the audio, but you can hear them. There are so many gannets here, and just the coastline is absolutely stunning. I think this is going to be a fun day shooting. Well, we're just making our way to what I think is called the North Platform. Yeah, it looks like the birds are a lot closer there. So we'll just make our way down there now and see what we can come up with. The sun's coming up from behind us, so yeah, we'll just wait for that light to come up, hopefully get some colour in the sky, and yeah, to start scanning through the thousands of birds and try and pick out some nice little scenes to capture.
So the amazing thing about these gannets is that they actually are only here for around about 4 to 5 months of the year. So they arrive from Australia here to Muriwai late September, kind of early October, and this is where they come to do all of their courtship displays, their mating and their nesting. And once all the chicks have hatched and kind of got their kind of little down kind of fluffy feathers away and look kind of a little bit more sleek and more like a teenager, they will embark on the epic journey back to Australia around March. So it really is quite an amazing journey that these birds take.
Well, I've just had a pretty neat surprise. I bumped into a fellow wildlife photographer here in New Zealand by the name of Paul Kettle. If you haven't checked out his work, pop on over onto his Instagram page, check out Paul Kettle and have a look at his gallery. It is absolutely awesome. So I'm currently going for a flying shot of the gannet, and what I'm trying to achieve here is get a low-key gannet in flight, kind of doing a half bank turn. It can be achieved here. It really helps having the sun kind of behind you. It's off to my side at the moment, but I'm shooting out this direction, and there's a sea stack there with a really dark base to it. So what I'm looking for is a bird that's flight path kind of shows me it's going to head in that direction, pick it up early, follow it, rattle off some shots, and then hopefully capture it right on that dark section for that low key effect. Well, I think we're going to call it a wrap. I can't hold my camera anymore with my left arm from trying to do too many flying shots, so I think that's a sign that it's time to go home. Look, this place is absolutely fantastic. I've absolutely loved photographing the Muriwai Gannet Connolly. It has been sensational. The great thing about this is that even with my 600, probably it was a little bit overgunned, to be honest, but it was still fun to shoot with. But the thing is, you can shoot from here from like a focal length of 24mm right through to your 600 or even your 800mm, and you'll still come away with real unique images, from real tight crop portrait shots right out to your kind of your landscape shots with all the gannets sitting out on the kind of little peninsula there. So that makes this location, for me, one of the best I've been to yet for photographing. It is absolutely stunning. Anyway, well, I hope you've enjoyed the content. If you have, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you at the next adventure.